Okay. Aniete Nkanga. Aniete Nkanga is the winner of the giveaway. The winner of the giveaway is Aniete Nkanga. So please get in touch with me so that I can send the money to you. Welcome. This video is a follow-up to my previous video where I announced I'll be giving away a cash, giving away some cash, 5,000 naira. So Aniete Nkanga has won the money. Now another thing, this video I need you people to comment below what you want to learn from me, because in the past I used to get my videos from what I'm making for my clients. For instance, when a client brings an outfit to me, I would select I would teach using that outfit, but I'm on lockdown, so that really can't happen right now. So I want you guys to comment below what you want to learn, and I'll be taking suggestions from the comment section, and I will teach classes based on that. So for today, no classes. On Wednesday and next Saturday, actual videos on actual sewing tutorials will definitely come if you guys give me suggestions that I can work with. Please don't give me any suggestions that has to do with sewing on the machine. It's because at this point I can only draft. Okay, have a wonderful weekend, enjoy the rest of your evening, and stay safe. Bye bye.